Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable parental controls in YouTube Kids. Safety setup guide step by step clearly. Download the YouTube Kids app from the App Store or Google Play on your child's device. Open the app and choose the parent option when it asks who is watching. Sign in with your Google account so you can manage settings and sync controls across devices. Read the introductory prompts and tap Next to continue to the setup screen. Create or select your child's profile by entering the name and age range requested. Choose the content level that matches your child's age group to filter videos automatically. Tap the lock icon in the bottom corner to access parental settings. Solve the math question or enter your custom passcode to unlock the parent area. Go to Settings and select your child's profile to adjust controls per child. Turn off search if you want your child to watch only curated, age-appropriate channels and videos. If you keep search on, understand it allows broader results and requires closer monitoring. Open Content Settings and choose Approve Content only for the strictest control. Tap Approve Content and pick specific videos, channels, or collections you trust. Review your approved list carefully and remove anything you do not recognize. Enable the timer feature to set a daily watch limit and reduce screen time. Set the minutes you allow and confirm so the app stops playback when time is up. Go to Audio and make sure background play is off to prevent unintended listening. Check the app permissions on the device and disable microphone access if it is not needed. In your child's profile, open video quality settings and choose a balanced option for smoother playback. Turn on restricted mode features where available, and keep the app updated for the latest filters. Open privacy and review data options, then adjust them to your comfort level. Use the watch history and search history sections to see what your child has viewed. If you notice unwanted content, block the video or channel directly from the playback screen. Report any inappropriate content so YouTube can review it and improve safety. Set a strong passcode for the parental lock so kids cannot change settings. Test the setup by searching or browsing to confirm only the allowed content appears. Repeat these steps on every device your child uses to keep rules consistent. Revisit settings weekly as your child grows and interests change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.